Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about that a statement that maybe people from developed countries may have not listened to it, but people from Pakistan and India listen it very commonly, or from underdeveloped countries, that we can buy this bird at lesser price. Why should we buy this bird from you? So keep that in mind, that when you are buying, when a person is coming to buy a bird from you and he is getting a bird of good quality at a lesser price, he will never ever come to you. Or he is able to get bird from some other place, he will not come to you, because he has come to you, or have contacted you, because he is unable to get that bird, and unable to get that bird at the price which is he is saying. Most of the time they are just bluffing. I would say 99% time they are bluffing about the prices, and that is basically resulting very bad, especially in Pakistan, and that is one of the main cause of decreasing prices on continuous basis, because most of the people here start to say that this person is selling this bird at this price, or I was getting this bird at this price, I didn't buy it. I think so. No one is fool that if he is getting a bird at lesser price, he has not chosen that bird and has come up to you, and he even knows that you are selling it at a higher price. He is just using these words or name of some other person to lower the price of your birds. So do not fall in their trap. You should know about the quality of your bird, your market price of the bird. Not, you should know about the general market price of the birds, because if you are not knowing about it, or you are not having knowledge related to it, then there would be these kind of people who would be coming up to you and saying that I can buy this bird at lesser prices, so you need to give it to me on lesser prices. So do not fall in their trap. They are basically making you fall in their trap, and this trap is basically very vicious, very poisonous, because this is resulting in making this hobby as a bad thing. Because when you are not earning something good from the hobby, if you are doing it for business purpose, why are you doing it? You will not do it. You will move towards something else. So for keeping this hobby alive at a good stage, it's not good that if we have a market price of 3000 and we are selling at 2000 just because we can have sales. This is not business. This is something foolish we are doing. Bulk buying rates are different and single buying rates are different. So please do not fall in the trap of these people, because they are doing this and they are earning from these things. Many people around the globe are basically buying birds at lesser prices from you and selling it at higher prices, and they are not even buying it from you at bulk rates, but they are buying it from you at lower than bulk rates, because they know that you will fall in their trap. So you should know about the bird you are having, the price that bird deserves, and you should sell it at that price. My focus is always to sell the bird to only those people who know about the worth of it. Yes, if someone comes to me and wants to buy the bird in bulk, then I give him some kind of discounts, but that discount doesn't mean that I will start selling it at a very low rate. No, never at all. I have few rates in my mind, and I will not sell lower than those rates. And even a person orders from me something and I know him personally, he is my friend, even still I have refused many persons, because I do not want to degrade this. Because when you will start selling a bird at lower price and others market price is higher, so you are yourself pushing the price of the bird at lower, and then this chain will start and the prices of the bird will start to fall. So this was the video related to when people come up and give you the statement that we can buy this bird at lower prices. So they are basically mostly faking it out. So do not trust them. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.